Alrighty, guys. Here is this is problem 3 from assignment 5-3. This is the first one that you're doing by hand. You've got 3 points. We're gonna make a system of equations, and we're gonna then solve it with elimination. Okay. Alright, first point, 3, -1. We're going to plug x and y, x for 3 and y is -1. We're going to plug that into our formula, okay? The standard formula. So, let's start this off. First, we have -1 is our y, is equal to a times 3 squared plus b times 3 plus c. Okay, that gives us equation number 1, which is 9a, because 3 squared is 9. 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to -1. Alright. Point 2, or the second point, 2, -5. So -5 is my y, is equal to a times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus c. Okay, solve that out. 2 squared is 4 times a plus 2b plus c is equal to -5. Alright, third point, 4, -5. Again, y is -5. We're going to take a and multiply it by 4 squared plus b times 4 plus c. Alright, 4 squared gives me 16a plus 4b plus c is -5. Alright, so that's got our system of equations over here. We've got equation 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'm going to start with equation number 1. Okay, and let's go with equation number 2. 4a plus 2b plus c equals -5. Alright, my equation number 2 has some of the smaller numbers, so I'm going to make that my negative. So I'm going to multiply that to be able to get c as a -c so that I can cancel out c. I'm going to multiply equation 2 by -1. Okay, that gives me -4a minus 2b minus c equals -5 times 1 is 5. Okay, and then I'm going to cancel that out there, just mark that out so that it's kind of out of the way. I'm going to add these two together. I've got 9a minus 4a gives me 5a. I've got 3b minus 2b gives me plus b. My c's cancel each other out, and I am left with -1 plus 5 is 4. Okay? That's my equation number 4. Number 5. So 5a plus b equals 4. There we go. Okay, equation number 5. I'm going to take equation number 2. So, and equation number 3. So 4a plus 2b plus c equals -5. And number 3 is 16a plus 4b plus c equals -5. Okay? Number 2 is the smaller numbers in the equation, so I'm going to multiply that by -1. That gives me -4a minus 2b minus c equals -5 times 1 is -5 times -1 is +5. Alright. Add those together. And that gives me 16 minus 4a is 12a. 4 minus 2b is plus 2b. My c's were canceled out, so -5 plus 5 gives me 0. That is my equation number 5. So 12a plus 2b equals 0. Alright, now let's take equation number 4 and number 5 and add those together. So 5a plus b equals 4. 12a plus 2b equals 0. Okay, I want to multiply the first one by -2 to get the -2b that I need to cancel out my b's. Okay, that gives me -2 times 5 is -10a, and then -2 times b is -2b, and 4 times -2 is -8. Okay, so now I'm going to add 12 plus 10 is 2a, and then -2b and +2b cancel each other out, so I'm left with 0 minus 8. Okay, and then 0 minus 8 is -8. I'm going to divide that by 2, and I am left with a is equal to -4. Alright, now I'm going to start plugging back in. I'm going to use, first let me write this down. A is -4. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to use my first equation. 5a, a being -4, plus b equals 4. Okay? Now, 5 times -4 is -20, plus b equals equals 4. and then add 20 to both sides. Okay, so I have b is equal to 24. Alrighty, b is equal to 24. There we go. Now, let's use number 2 to find c. So I've got 4 times, this is back down at the bottom left, 4 times a is -4 plus 2 times b, which is 24, plus c is -5. Okay? So 4 times -4 is -16. 2 times 24 is +48. Okay? And then I have c that we're trying to figure out. Okay, equals -5. Now, -16 plus 48 is 32, plus c is -5. Subtract my 32 from both sides. C is -37. So C is -37. Okay, look down here in the right hand corner. Y is equal to -4x squared plus 24x minus 37. Alrighty, and there's my answer. Alright, I am going to do videos using the calculator now, so I'm gonna stop this video and post it, and then that way you've got this one to be working on for elimination, and then I'm gonna give you 2 problems. Probably number 10 and number 11 is possibly what I'm gonna do. I'll have to look at them in a minute, but I'm gonna do 2 with the calculators. Okay, alright, do number 5 on your own like this. Okay, have a good night.